too late. It's terrible weather outside. Hail is coming down. It's going to be the end of the world. So, here I am again. My name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we going to do today? Well, today we have an easy maintenance on my Beamer, a BMW R1200GS. We're going to renew the air filter. Is it easy? Bah, absolute. Can you do it? Yeah, of course. With my video, a few tools. I'm going to explain it all and the tools you need. I'm going to make links below where you can buy the tools and the air filter you need. First things first. We need an air filter. And this is a High Flow Filtro. Not sponsored by High Flow Filtro. I wish they did. So, High Flow Filtro, if you're listening, start sponsoring me. There it is. Here is my bike. Come on over and we start. The first thing we're going to do, take the buddy seats off, as we need to be on this side of the bike. The Tupperware has to come off. Where I got the key. Getting the buddy seat off is the most difficult in this operation. So, this out of the way, carefully. Then, this one. Up. Now guys, the first screws, Torx bolts we're gonna loosen are these. It's underneath here. Now, let's see. Quite easy. Oh, not yet. A lot of people ask about this ratchet. I'm going to link it below in the description. Okay. Now, this one has to come off. By the way, it's Torx 25. Hop. This one. Then over here is another screw bolt. Now guys, this pen you have to get a bit. Now, the problem with this Beamer is that bar. Hepco and Becker. Out of the way. Then we have this one. Easy. This one has to come off too. So. here. Actually it's so easy, but I have to wiggle a bit because of that bar, crash bar. We're going to place this carefully out of the way. Now, over here, you take a plier and press it a bit in, and then you can take this one out. One, and over here is his brother. Up. Up. Then we take years ago there was a leaf stuck in here. It sucked up a leaf. So I made this mesh. But that's on the outside, so that's good. Now I can see. I put this one in about 11,000 kilometers ago. 10/6/2020. Ouch. Okay. Now, have a look in there. Now guys, have a look. I'm gonna get Actually, it looks very good. So, over here, I got my new air filter, so let's move on. First thing I'm gonna do, here is some sand. Okay. There. Okay, now everything looks fine. Everything's clean. Take the air filter. I wrote down what my kilometers are at the moment, and today it is 11, 9, 20, 24. So yes, this one was in 11,000 kilometers. And as you can see, it was time to renew it. Now guys, this is sort of silicone, and because you have to wiggle it in, I always like to put some slippery stuff over on those edges, so it seats more easy. I got silicone grease, not too much, just a bit. Hop. See, now sure that I can wiggle it in. It's a bit, oh, yes. Okay, then give this tube clean too. Okay. So. Then we gonna slide this one over here. Yes. Then push it. Wait a minute. See? It's already start pressing the air filter away. So what I'm gonna do is put also a tiny bit of my silicone grease over there. So then I'm sure that it's slides more easy. Okay. Maybe you wouldn't do that, but I do. It's all about making it easy for yourself. Yes, see? Then up, click it over there in place. And look, how easy was this? Then and click that one in place, and his brother over here. Hoppa. See? Job done? No. Was easy, huh? Now. We're gonna carefully put this one back in place. And yes. This one over here. See, this previous owner. Push it in there, and that was like this, and underneath here. Okay, yes. Then over here is that one. Actually, it's not that simple. Because what? Not too tight, huh? It's all plastic. Up. Then. Up. Okay. Yep. Okay. Now, this one not too tight. this one. Okay, not too tight. This one. Okay, not too tight. It's all plastic. You pay a lot of money for a lot of plastic. Tupperware. This one, like this. Okay, now the body sheet back on, and then we're finished. Put the body sheet back on. Up. And this one. Now guys, that was my video. How you can renew your air filter or your own Beamer. A lot cheaper than when your dealer is doing it. And you're sure that it's done the proper way. I've seen dealers who didn't renew the air filter, but it was on the bill. Absolute. Now, that was the old filter. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate that. And give me thumbs up, so the YouTube algorithm thinks, oh my god, old mechanic, he's made another great video. Let's put him higher in the ranking, so more people can enjoy these kind of videos I make. See you the next time. And for now, old mechanic out.